What I'll do now is, what happens if we don't have any number, we have only letters. Say ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Solve for x. I will show you how to do that because my next video is based on that. Okay? Right, into your books now. The question is, solve ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now that is the question. It can be 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, whatever, but we have only letters to deal with now, okay? This also, we apply the same concept that we have used there. We divide by that number on both sides, right? Some examination boards may ask you to prove this, all right? So I'm going to divide by a on both sides. Divide by a. Please watch, a is not equals to 0, please, right? So once I do that, the a's cancel. I have my expression, say the left hand side now becomes x squared plus bx plus c, b over a please, and c over a equals to 0. That is what we got. Now, do you agree we need to transfer that term to the right hand side? So we do that, which is going to be x squared plus b over a, x, leave some space because we are supposed to add something, equals to plus c over a will be a minus c over a. Right, that's what happened. Now you're supposed to add a number here to complete the square, right? On both sides, please. You're supposed to add. What number do you add if you deal with it with a sum like last sum that we have done? Just go and check once, please. We had a third, so a third should be made half first, which will be a sixth, and you square it, 1 over 36. Now that's what you're going to add here. So half of b over a, what is half of b over a? Come on, think. Half of b over a. Of means times, b times 1 is b, 2 times a is 2a. So that is what is half of b over a, right? Then you square it. This is what you're going to add on both sides, please. So that's a b squared divided by 2a whole squared should be a 4a squared. Please watch. This is what you're going to add on both sides. Half of b over a, which is b over 2a, we squared it. So remember, b squared over 4a squared, we are going to add on both sides. So that's a b squared over 4a squared. Add on the right hand side also, please. So that's a b squared over 4a squared, done. This is how you do the sum first. And then left hand side, do you agree now, becomes an exact square. So we completed the square. Now how will we write that? We put a bracket and then a square equals to, we need to simplify that. We'll do in a minute. Tell me, what do you get here? Come on. Square root of x squared is x. The sign depends on the middle term, which is plus. And the square root of that comes here, or maybe half of that, which is b over 2a, right? b over 2a. This is what we get. Now, right hand side, algebraic fractions, please. That's a 4a squared. Make it a 4a squared, right? So you got to times it by 4a. When you times this by 4a, that also you got to times by 4a. So what do I get? Minus 4ac plus b squared, right? Now let's write that as b squared minus 4ac, right? I just want that negative term to be second place. Divided by 4a squared, your LCM comes back as 4a squared. That's what we got on the right hand side. People, that's quite easy. Come on. That's a 4a squared, so you make that a 4a squared. To do that, you times it by 4a, done. All that I have done was I just swapped them. I wrote the plus b squared first, and then a minus 4ac next, just to make the question look smarter. Once you come to this stage, just go and check what we did. Once you come to that stage, do you agree we transfer the square? That becomes a square root. So you do exactly the same. You transfer the square, that becomes a square root, right? So watch the screen, please. That's x plus b over 2a. X plus b over 2a stays here. I'm transferring that square, please, to the right hand side. So let me copy that first. B squared minus 4ac all over 4a square. Then we'll have a nice square root. That square became a square root. Now let's find its, well, it's a plus or minus, right? Plus or minus. What you can do now here, numerator has no square root. Because of that minus, you can't take the b square, out, okay? So we'll keep that b squared minus 4ac as it is under the root, okay? But 4a square, the square root of 4a squared, we all know it's a 2a, right? 4a squared will be 2a. So I can take that out as a 2a. Done? Well, we got the sign here, plus or minus, please. Keep that in mind. Then we are going to find x, isn't it? So keep the x here. Do you agree the plus b over 2a fraction moves to the right hand side, which should be minus b over 2a. So just go there and write minus b over 2a. All right? Now this is quite easy now because those two are same. The denominators are same, right? So this is quite easy. Now, let's write that as a single fraction. It's going to be b squared minus 4ac under the square root with a plus or minus sign, and you got a minus b comes there all over 2a, right? This is what is considered to be a formula to actually find the value of x for any question. But your textbooks might show the minus b front. So they'll write that as a minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and then all over 2a. That is what they do. So this is the value, say this is the generalization of the value of x for any question.